As CEO of Holbrook Heating, we have one main goal, and that's customer satisfaction. Without our customers, we are nothing. I was basically 4 when the company was started by my mother and father, and grew up around the company in the industry, working with my parents all my life. And 3 years ago, I became CEO of the company. So we've had a path that we've grown a lot since where it was back when we started. But over time, we've just been fortunate enough to be able to grow it to the size that it is and be a part of everything that goes with that. We became a diamond contractor in 2011. Ductless, the evolution of ductless has completely changed. Coming out with the hyperheat was a huge game changer being in the Northeast. It allowed us to actually be able to have heating below zero, which we'd never seen a heat pump inverted technology that could do that. That really is what opened the doors. We have the ability now to go into any home, whether it be a forced air, a hydronic, oil, gas, it doesn't matter what it is, be it an old Victorian home, a cape, a ranch, a stone home. It's our job to educate the consumers to why go ductless, why go Mitsubishi. And it's really pretty simple. The reasons for that is because of the efficiency of it. Who doesn't want a backup source of heat? Who doesn't want something that they can save on, that they can utilize solar, wind, different stuff as far as not being tied to one heating source, and the redundancy. And it's definitely multifunctional, even in our climate. We have customers that are heating their entire homes on hyperheat systems. So there are a lot of people that are doing it. It doesn't matter whether you're located down south or if I'm in the northern part of New York. We've been able to consistently market it very well as a product across the entire state. So there's no question you can utilize it a lot further than any other source of heat pump that's made. As far as my relationship with Mitsubishi, I can sum it up simply in saying that it's the most consistent, best support I get from any manufacturer that I do business with. We have the best working relationship back and forth. The communication is phenomenal. The equipment manufactured by Mitsubishi is the lowest fail rate of anything that we install. And it's by far the best product that we sell that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. So on the backside is Holbrook Heating. We get happy customers. We have a low fail rate. It's easier for the installers to install, and if you get people that are overwhelmed at how well it works. My relationship as Holbrook Heating with Home Depot is very similar with Mitsubishi. Home Depot and Mitsubishi are my 2 best partners I have in business. We've been doing business with Home Depot, fortunately, for 13 years now, going on 14 since it actually started in New York. Part of that evolution was bringing on Mitsubishi, which worked great for us because we were already a diamond dealer at that time when it got introduced by Home Depot. As soon as they brought Mitsubishi on, it brought on a whole new avenue for us across all 40 stores that we represent in New York State. It gave us the ability for the last 4 years to actually be the largest Mitsubishi dealer within the Home Depot family of HVAC dealers in the entire country. That's a grand slam win-win for everybody. It's been a phenomenal opportunity to be able to do business like we do with Home Depot and then be partnered with a manufacturer like Mitsubishi. Going back on the reliability of the product, the consistency of the product, the innovation of the product. It fits in perfectly with what Home Depot wants, which is the same thing as we want. Happy customers with no problems, no complaints, with a wide variety of products. Mitsubishi offers that, so it fits in perfectly with the ideals and partnership we have with Home Depot and back to Mitsubishi. It's a great system. At the end of the day, it's just great to have happy customers that have something they're comfortable in their home with and really get to see the benefits of the system and what we can provide and how we can stand behind it and the partnership we have that allows us to do that.